Alright, so I'm going to try and film this to the best of my abilities. You can see the, well, really shitty light, but you can kind of see maybe just the blur, maybe a resemblance of a bike. You can kind of see the startup sequence on the reflection there once I turn the key there. Yeah. So that's the left blinker. And the right blinker. Right blinker with stoplight. No blinker. Stoplight. So it kind of does a strobing when you hit the stoplight. I guess it alerts people a little better maybe. This is a really shitty video, but you can probably see it.